Hello everyone, my name is Sharman Singh and I am mobile development intern at Sparks Foundation. I am currently pursuing my BTech Computer Science and Engineering degree at ABB Triple ITM Gwalior. Now for my internship, I am building a basic banking app. Our objective in this application is to create a basic mobile app with dummy users where users can transfer money from one bank account to other. Now technologies I have used for this application is for language I have used Kotlin, for database I have used SQLite database and IDE Android Studio. Now let me show you the demonstration of this application. The application name is Basic Banking App. So let me open this application. We can see the button here for displaying users. Here are all the dummy users that I have created for this application. Now we can see name of every dummy user here. I have created them here. You can see that with their first name, last name, their email, and the balance they are currently having in their bank account. Now let me show you a demonstration when we transfer from one bank account to another bank account. Now let us see this example. Suppose I want to transfer money from Gaurav's account to Ronak's account. Now when I click on transfer from Gaurav, so we can see that sender's name is here Gaurav. Now I want to transfer to Ronak, so receiver's name is Ronak. We can see the balance of both our customers. Now suppose I want to transfer 3000 from Gaurav's account to Ronak's account. Then we will have 1000 left on Gaurav's account and 8000 on Ronak's account. Now let's see. As you can see that transaction has been successful and the Gaurav's account has now have 1000 and Ronak's account have 8000. But if we would have entered wrong amount, for example, let me show you again. If we have clicked, now we can see that Gaurav's account has 1000 rupees. If we have clicked 2000 for transfer, we know that limit would be exceeded. So we will get an error here that limit exceeded and this transaction cannot be approved. Now, in the similar way, we can transfer money from anyone's account to others' account successfully. Now we can see that for this application, I have created multiple classes and multiple XML files. Now currently I am in customer class where we have stored basic customer information like first name, last name, their email and balance. Here are all the attributes that are defined to a customer. Now in customer list class, we have created logic for this program where if we transfer money, we see that transaction fails or not, and we have all updated our logic here and shown in the recycler view of activity customer class. We know that all the data is shown here from the app demonstration. Now similarly for the database, I have created using SQLite and stored first name, last name, their email and current balance a user is having. Here are all the list of dummy customers that I have created them, and that's it. Here is recycler view and XML files that I have created. Here we know that this is the first page of this application. While transferring money, we see this option with the details of customer, their email and the balance they are having. That's it for the program. Now I want to thank Sparks Foundation for giving me this opportunity to work on this app and learn something new from it. Thank you.